Hey guys, good morning. I'm selling my 1996 UD 1400. Here it is. It's a 14-foot bed, 8-foot wide. I am missing one of the gates here, the stake bed gates. I've been using this wood one as a substitute. This does have the, trailer brake controller style thing there. This is the exhaust from it. I needed to take the exhaust off to make room for the transmission. There's your exhaust brake. It's all there. It's just not in the truck right now. It is a UD 1400, 14,250 pound gross vehicle weight. 33 gallon diesel tank. Does not require DEF at all. I don't know, maybe, okay, walking around. Here is your 4.2 liter inline 6 turbo diesel built by Nissan. This is a UD. It stands for Uniflow Diesel, and it used to, and now it stands for Ultimate Dependability. And that's not a joke or anything. That's literally what it stands for. Here's all the back of your rack here. Here's to show you the Cabover still lifts up. No issues there. Let me get back here. Get a good better image for you guys. There we go. There's all your stuff there. Good looking windows. Good looking doors. Good cab. Ugh. Here's your seat folded down for some reason. Let me fold it up for you guys. Okay. Put that up there. Okay. There goes your seats. Extra starter for you. 3-speed with an overdrive automatic transmission. Now I am going to shut this door. I'm going to walk around to the other end. Here's the view from the front. Now, what I'm going to do, so there's no funny business, I'm going to place my hand on the exhaust. Right there. Okay? I just want you to know this is going to be a true cold start. And, so my hand's on the exhaust. Clearly, I would be in agony if I had pre-started it. Now we're gonna open it up. There's your trailer brake controller. There's your nice seats. There's your roof, or your hood, or your ceiling rather. There's your brake fluid. I'm going to grab the keys. I'm going to put them in. I'm going to turn that. We're going to wait until the glow plug light comes off. Takes a minute for those to warm up. And now we're going to start it. There it is. Okay, shut it off. Now let's put the cab down. So we're going to pull our nail out of here. Going to put a little pressure on the up here, undo the catch, slam it on down. Oh yeah. Here's a better view of the cab. Crack in the windshield. Okay. Mirror. There's your seats. Let me get back for you guys. Problems with this truck. You're going to need to tow it home, flat tow it, or trailer if you have a big enough truck and trailer. You're going to need to, the transmission is out. I don't work on transmissions, don't know how. It could be a front pump. This is the replacement transmission. I bought this, I got a good deal on it a few years ago off eBay for $800. It ran for, well, a few years actually, until the transmission just went out a couple of months ago. And it does have a slow brake fluid leak. I think one of the cylinders is bad. So, there's your truck. Everything is good. There's your headlights, mirrors, of course. There's the body from the driver's side, 14-foot bed. Coming around here, I try to do my best to make it as visible as I can. Over time, I've had this truck for about 5 years. Everything's faded off here. It's been a great runner, man. It's a great truck. I just gotta let it go now. Oh, at no extra charge, you will be getting this rear end. It's an extra rear end. This one has a rear end. This is an extra one at no extra charge. I'll load it with my forklift and I'll strap it down to the back of your truck. Sell it, keep it, cannibalize it. It's up to you. It's yours. It is the exact same 6:17:1 gear ratio as what comes on this. 14-foot bed. You got your tie down points right there. All these gates are removable. Make me an offer. Like, literally make me an offer. You got to come down to Tennessee and get it. You know, you're going to have to flat tow it. The transmission is out. Other than that, this engine runs great. So you're going to get the truck. You're going to get the rear end. A couple more parts I have around here. I got an extra starter like I showed you. Let me get a better image from way back here. Don't worry about that tent. No one lives in there. I was just drying it out. And then I forgot about it. I got wet again. So there goes that. 33-gallon fuel tank. No enhancement needed. Or endorsement needed. It has hydraulic brakes. This thing fits inside of a parking spot. If a young, enterprising couple dudes or a couple people were gonna hot shot with this, load it up from 3 sides, moving business, throw a tarp over it, a lot of stuff you can do with this thing. You know, I love this thing. I took it to Missouri and I bought that Terramite over there. I drove this from Carrollton, Texas to Tennessee, where I live now. It's a great truck. I just, you know, I had a baby and I got to downsize, and so come get it. Make me an offer, you know. And I know you're going to look on eBay and find out how much the engine alone goes for. So I understand that. 1996 Nissan UD 1400. 3-speed with an automatic overdrive. Or 3-speed plus an automatic overdrive. So like 3.5 gears, like 4 gears basically. My number is 925-752-4976. My YouTube channel is called MMA Savant. Silly name, but whatever. Call me. My name is Kelly. And make me an offer. You know, it's a good little truck. It's got leaves and shit all over it, but that's all right. A clean title, of course. And the last time I had it registered was Tennessee, 2021, of course. So June. So it's been out of past due or whatever it's called for, like you know, June, July, August, September, 5-6 months now, I guess. 4 or 5 months. Yeah, there it is, guys. Call me, leave a comment, leave me a number, make me an offer, and come get this thing. It's yours. Thanks, guys. Bye.